Representative Spokesman Akin Rotimi Jr. said that among other issues, the major areas of the legislative focus of the 10th House would include the 2025 budget, constitution review, electoral reform, local government autonomy, and the Whistleblower Protection Bill. He noted that insecurity and the menace of flooding ravaging the country would also receive attention. Before the recess, the House presented its performance report for the first session June 13, 2023 to June 13, 2024, outlining key achievements and milestones since the 10th Assembly's inauguration to include 679 motions moved, 89 bills passed, and 306 petitions received, noting that members of the Green Chamber conducted oversight visits to 107 Mdas, averaging 0.9 visits per committee. The House resumes plenary Tuesday, 24th September 2024. Organi Victor, ITV News.